Well, happy, healthy, beautiful day, friends. Eric here, and on this quick video, I'm going to share how to make your perfect cup. Now, reishi is infused in all of our products, absolutely everything. Now, our first product is our king of coffee. Now, this is extra special. This is an organic bean that's freeze-dried. It's not instant. Although it says instant on the sachet, that's just so you don't put it through a machine. But this is freeze-dried gourmet with the reishi spore powder. Now let me tell you about the spores. The spores is the most nutrient-dense part of our reishi mushroom. It's how the reishi mushroom germinates. Actually, parts of the spores are up to 75 times more powerful than the body of this mushroom. Now, normally, the human body wouldn't be able to absorb the nutrition from this spore powder because it has two crystallized shells on it, but our company have patented the technology to crack both shells so we get 99.9% purity of the reishi spores in our king of coffee, but also in our nutraceuticals. So if you're not big on coffee or tea, guys, you have the capsule options as well. So this is our king. What we do with all our sachets, guys, very important. We have an amazing partnership called our Bags for Life initiative. So what you want to do is cut off the sachet on the bottom of the sachet, not the top. Don't cut through the organo label. Carefully shake out your sachet and cut along the top, like so. And what's so convenient about our products, guys, is you can take this on a plane. You can't take one Starbucks coffee on a plane with you, but you could take 20 boxes of this stuff. You could sample the entire plane if you wished and be very generous. How convenient is this? So we just add it to our mug. Now, if you like a strong coffee, the espresso strong, add about maybe 2 ounces of hot water directly to the cup. So that would be basically espresso strong. So you can see that light foaminess on there. It's super strong, but as you will taste with your palate, if you're quite sensitive, as I am, this is super smooth as it is an alkaline beverage. We can't actually say this is alkaline. Strange world we live in. But if you test this with pH strips, you will see that as a pH of over 7, regular coffee, which is super acidic, has a pH of around 5, and that can cause upset tummy, can cause you get crashes and jitters and all this stuff. This is espresso strong. Now, if you wanted more of a stronger flavored coffee, add about maybe 3 to 4 ounces of hot water. Maybe that's too strong for you still, so you can add a little bit more. I kind of like it medium. So this would be around me here. I'd like around 6 ounces. 6 ounces of water, give or take. You can experiment with it. The more water you add, the lighter the flavor gets, and that's across the board with any of our products. And there we go, bada bing, bada boom. Make it for your friend if you're sharing this with them and have that first coffee experience with them.